Let's learn how to import and export emails in Zoho Mail. First, log in to your Zoho Mail account. Go to Settings, then navigate to Import/Export Emails. If you have multiple accounts configured, select the one you want to import emails into. In the Import section, click Choose File and upload your email file. The file should be either a .eml file or a .zip file containing EML messages. You'll now see two import options. If you choose Import under the chosen folder, all emails will appear in that folder. If you want to keep the same folder structure as in your zip file, check Retain Folder Structure. Choose a folder and click OK. You can also choose Import directly to your account to replicate the folder structure exactly. Once ready, click Import. The import process begins and your emails will start appearing in the selected folder. If any emails fail to import, you'll receive a notification with error details. Now, let's look at how to export emails. Go to the Export section and select the folder you want to export from. Choose a duration, a specific date range, or export the entire folder. Click Export to begin. Once complete, you'll receive a notification email with a download link to your exported zip file. Make sure you're logged into Zoho Mail before accessing it. And that's it. You now know how to easily import and export emails in Zoho Mail, keeping your inbox organized, secure, and backed up. Have an idea or vision in mind? Share it with us, and we'll help turn it into a clear workflow with actionable next steps. DM us or comment below to get started. We will provide this in 1 hour.